First, my name is Carlo. I'm super excited to show you here today our latest product called Zipchat, and I'm looking forward to hear what you guys think, what the community thinks about the pros and cons of having these kind of tools. Zipchat is an AI sales chatbot that is specifically focused for e-commerce store owners, and its objective is to turn more visitors into buyers. And what we've been seeing is around a 15% increase in conversion, which is pretty exciting, right? So here today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install the app, test the chatbot, and push it live to your store. And you can see how easy it is and also how fast this process will be. So here we go. We are in the app store marketplace of Shopify, where you can find Zipchat, and you can install it. With one click there, you'll be redirected to your Shopify admin page, from which you can just click again and install the app. So from these moments moving forward, everything is just pretty much straightforward, okay? So what's happening right now, and you see on top of this page, you see we are creating your chatbot. So what Zipchat is currently doing is taking all the content from your pages, like product URLs, FAQ, return policy, like everything that is online, basically, and the AI will learn from that content. And because of that, we'll be able to give product recommendations, product information, any support basically a visitor would need, right? Both on the sales perspective and on the customer service perspective. So here we go. In less than 20 seconds, basically the knowledge base is now updated, right? So you can actually add new sources there, where it could be like, I don't know, a PDF page, an FAQ internal document, like anything that you guys want to give the AI basically a new training ground, right? So here we go. From now on, we can start testing the chatbot. Okay. So here we go. We are on this store, which is my store called Gymshark, and I'm going to show you how Zipchat is different compared to any other chatbots, just by showing you one single thing that visually will make the whole difference. So here we go. Let's say I'm a visitor and I'm looking for a running T-shirt. So what Zipchat is doing differently is Zipchat is emulating what a real experience in a shop looks like, where a sales rep comes to you and he asks questions and understands your needs, where all the other chatbots out there are just responding to some boring and some standard kind of customer service related questions and answers, while Zipchat's primarily focus is making sales, turn more visitors into buyers. That's the whole vision of Zipchat, and making this fully automated. So here we go. I'm looking for a T-shirt, and the AI is asking me a question like, hey, sure, I can help you with that. Are you a man or a woman? Are you looking for something regular fit or slim fit? And I'm saying, oh, let's say man, regular. So here we go. Now the AI knows what the visitor is looking for and fires up the right product information. Just stop here for a second. How easy it was so far to upload on the knowledge base. It takes 20 seconds and test the chatbots with literally like 10 seconds. Amazing, right? So here's another thing that we differentiate ourselves with all the other competitors. You can actually create corrections straight into your chatbot environment, or by looking at any kind of conversations. And once you create a correction, you're basically training the AI, and you're telling the AI, hey, I'd rather prefer you to answer this way rather than that way. And say, hey, I recommend our product X, let's say, whatever the product might be. Maybe you want to push a specific product in a specific month of the year, you have some promos, you have control over it, which is quite unbelievable. So on top of this, which is conversation and knowledge base, we also offer some analytics. So we actually show to our customers how much sales can be attributed to Zipchat. So if a visitor is initiating a conversation and then make a purchase, we attribute that to Zipchat, and which is amazing because it shows the ROI on the subscription you ended up paying. So after you do this, with just one simple click, you can push this live on your shop. So again, 20 seconds to set up the knowledge base, 10, 15 seconds to test the chat to see how it's behaving, and then you're ready to push it live. And then from these moments on, it's autopilot, hands-free. Your customer will be, and your visitors will be assisted 24/7 all the time. And now I'm looking forward to hear your feedback, and thanks very much. Bye. Ciao, ciao.